It's okay.
What's up with the gun in the car?
That's mine.
On October 20th, 2024, at approximately 10:22 a.m., officers with the Palm Bay Police Department responded to a reported child lockout involving a young juvenile trapped inside a vehicle at a gas station. Dispatch information indicated the vehicle was turned off, the windows were closed, and the child had reportedly been inside the car for several minutes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Keys inside?
Yeah, I'll
Oh yeah, she's sweating bad.
All right. We'll get it open.
When officers arrived on scene, they encountered a man standing outside the vehicle while emergency personnel worked to gain access to the car.
What is she doing in the front?
Nothing. I just came from the store. I put her there so I could sit in there too, so I could do something before I leave. I live a block and a half from here.
Did she ride in the front here?
No, I got the car seat in the back.
Okay.
It's okay, Mama. 1 second.
And how long has she been here?
Less than 10 minutes. Like I said, I came out the store. I put her there for a second. She had the key to the car.
She's sweating really bad.
But she started crying because I had to go inside to get the phone. My phone is dead. Look, it's dead. So I had to go inside. So she started crying when she didn't saw me.
How did she get into the front seat?
I put her in the front seat.
When?
I came out the store because I just bought something. I put her in there so I could go in the other side, so I could do something on my phone. She fucking locked the door on me before I got to the other side.
Was the car running?
No.
And the key fob does not work?
She had the key on her hand. That's why I got locked out of the car, because she locked the car before I could get on the other side.
Where's the keys?
You gotta look. It has to lock on the car. It's okay, Mom.
What's up?
The child appeared overheated, was crying heavily, and showed visible signs of distress.
With the shake, man.
She good? You okay?
I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah.
Can you check her out?
Yeah. It was not on there when I went in.
She's fine. I tell you, she's been less than 10 minutes.
No, I hear you, but there's marijuana all over the car and she was sitting on it, okay? And I just took a piece off of her just now. So, where is your ID?
I don't have it.
You don't have an ID?
No, I lost it.
Who is her parent or
I'm
guardian?
the dad.
Huh?
I'm the dad.
You are the dad. Who else can take care of her?
Mom just went to work and grandpa's at home. Do you mind if I get the pacifier?
All right, so what I'm gonna ask you to do is just step to the back of the car for me.
Yeah.
Okay.
We can't. She's gonna be upset. She's fine. And it wasn't even as colder in there.
Yeah, and I appreciate it. It's basically for me to just determine that she's okay, but also to stall to wait for her partner to get here.
As far as substance, there's nothing we can check. That would help with that.
Right. So his phone is dead. He parked it here. She was in the front seat with the seatbelt on. He said that he moved her to the front seat so he could go inside and do something on his phone.
I didn't say that.
You did.
I said I put her in the front seat when I came out.
When you came out,
Yes.
but then you went back inside.
Yeah, to get the phone so I could call.
Okay, so he left her in the car that was not running with the keys in. He went back inside to get his phone. He came back out, and obviously the car was locked.
No, that's not what happened.
Okay, tell me what happened
I came
again.
with her to the car because I'm about to take off. I just see her in there for a second so I could do something. But before I could get to this side, she locked the car on me because she had the keys on her hand playing with them. So I went inside and asked for a phone so I could
call.
call
Okay.
right away.
What is up with the marijuana in the car?
What can I say, man? That's my stuff.
You what?
That's mine. What can I say?
Well, like I said, I mean, we get here. Yes, you called. She's in the front seat. Okay. You weren't driving, which is good, but she's in the front seat with the seatbelt buckled. The car is not running and it gets locked, okay, by her or something, or the car does it itself. When I open, and the door gets opened, there's marijuana sitting on the seat that she is sitting in. That is a huge issue.
Yeah, no, she got to it while I went to get this.
Who knows if she digested,
I don't think so.
ingested any of that.
That right there, the key is when you say, I don't think so, that's the hard part. That's when it becomes dangerous, you know what I mean? Because what do people do with marijuana sometimes? What do they lace it with? Cocaine, fentanyl,
Heroin.
meth. So you never know what you're getting. Unless are you buying from an actual distributor, or are you buying from a person? I'm not asking you that so you can get charged with it. I'm just asking a question. You buying from just a friend, or you buying from a distributor?
Friend.
Okay, so the friend could be lacing with something not on purpose.
I understand why you guys going to with this, but I'm pretty sure she's good. I called right away. I didn't lose no time.
We appreciate you calling. I'm just saying how important it is to
I
pay attention to what
understand.
you're doing with this kind of scenario.
But she's good. I know high, none of that stuff. And it's barely anywhere on the car.
But there's weed in the car.
I know.
Do you understand what I'm saying? You're not free to leave? You're not free to leave? 268, can you show one male detained? So what were you doing that was so important to leave your daughter in
I didn't leave my daughter in the car. You keep saying I leave my daughter in the car. I didn't leave my daughter in the car. I came and I put her on that seat, coming around the car before,
Right.
and she locked the door on me before I could reach the door.
I get it. And
Why would you put her in the seatbelt on? With the car seat.
So it don't matter. I was staying there. I was gonna stay there for a second.
well, it does matter. Okay, so you put her in the car, you shut the door, you walked around, and by the time you got to the other side, the car was already locked.
Yeah, she locked.
Okay.
What's up with the gun in the car?
That's mine.
Huh?
All right.
That's yours? I understand. She was an asshole. What's up with it? You're leaving a kid in the car with a gun?
Sit on the difference of the guns.
Yeah.
That's smart.
Yeah, she was.
The gun's next to
when
the car
they
seat.
It seems like you don't.
and he didn't tell me any of this. When the girl got out, she had weed on her back.
You guys keep saying I leave my car in the car.
Because, kids that age don't just put everything
Who knows if she
So
could
the
have
kid
done
has
it.
seatbelt on?
Yeah, in the
So-
front seat.
So he's definitely bull.
Yeah.
What?
So you were just running in real fast.
No, I would. She locked the door on me, so I ran right away to the gas station to get the phone, and I called you guys.
So now he's being a little bit more honest. He said that the kid was seated in there in that seat with the seatbelt on because he was in a rush. So he put her, instead of putting her in the car seat, just popped her there, put the seatbelt on her so he could drive here from his house because he doesn't live that far away. That's
I figured that was the case, yeah.
You want to pop that?
Where is the container?
My container. That's what I have.
Well, what? Okay. Right now, I am going to be placing you in custody for child neglect. I mean, there's a bunch of other things. Not only being in possession of marijuana that's not in a container, which has to be, also having a firearm, a loaded firearm, right next to the car seat of your child. It's like, that's just a recipe for absolute disaster, man. And I think that goes without saying. So if you can pull up your wife's number, I'll give her a call to come and get her daughter. Okay?
Can I have my phone?
No.
Why not?
You can swipe right here because you're in custody right now and it's playing by my rules.
First number right there.
Okay.
Remain to hold her, but go ahead and face the car. I'm going to remove everything else from your pockets. Okay?
Hello, sir. Junior, we have him at the gas station. He's going to jail.
According to investigators, the child was safely removed from the vehicle shortly after officers arrived. While checking the interior of the car, officers observed suspected marijuana scattered across the front passenger seat area where the child had been seated. Authorities also located a loaded revolver stored inside an unlocked container near the child's car seat in the back of the vehicle. During the investigation, the man allegedly admitted that both the marijuana and firearm belonged to him. Investigators further stated that the child had been seated in the front passenger seat while the vehicle became locked. According to officers, the man claimed the child accidentally locked the doors while holding the keys. Evidence recovered from inside the vehicle during the investigation. Police subsequently arrested the man on charges related to child neglect and cannabis possession. Court records later showed that he entered a no-contest plea to a reduced misdemeanor charge of culpable negligence, resulting in probation and court fines. The released body-worn camera footage documents the officer's response and the investigation that followed the incident. Authorities have not reported any lasting injuries to the child.